Okay, so hello guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing this robot, or in other ways, pokibot, a portable robot. So I'm gonna unbox this robot and just show you what does it do. So if we start off, okay, so we gotta take out tape here, so let me get my scissors. Okay guys, so I opened it, get some scissors. And now let's see. Okay, so let me just open this. So there's the instruction already coming out. So just get this out like that. And oh, we have some more for the scissors there. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna get. Actually, I'm fine. So I'm just gonna get the robot out, just like that. And there's the robot, the blue color robot. And it falls. Yep, it falls. Okay. And we have two instructions here. That like that. And we have two instructions. Let me just check them real quick. Okay, guys. So I read the instruction, and I managed to let free Pokebot because he has a few straps to hold him. And I put in the battery. If the batteries are not included, make sure you have a screwdriver with a really small screw to put this in. And now, as I did it, let's try pokibot. Okay, so you have an on and off switch here. So okay, appears to be something has happened. Let's try again. One sec, I'll change the battery, guys. Okay, guys, so now I did it. I put these batteries and they should work. So let's boot up. Oh, there we go. Appears to be. Wait, I'm gonna clap 2 times. Let's see. Oh, guys, you might see on the camera that it's okay. That is blue, the screen, but it's actually green. Let's see. Let's see. Hello, Pokebot. You heard that, guys? Okay, let's try the clapping feature again, since we're supposed to clap to make it work. Oh, there came both of them. Oh, okay. It's going on the camera, that's I can tell you guys. Okay, so let's make it dance then. Oh, it's dancing, guys. Okay, so I lifted the camera. I want to show you. How is it dancing? Oh. Okay. Pokebot. Oh. Oh, did you hear that, guys? I was trying to change different voices. Did you hear that? Okay, let's try tapping. Okay, so apparently this is tap or clap. I'm not super sure because it doesn't look like it's working. Okay, Pokebot. Okay, let's try clapping. I just gotta leave the phone. So let's just put the phone. Okay, let's try clapping again. So, okay. Okay, saying I'm Pokebot in a lot of different tones. So let's try clapping. Oh, where are you going, Pokebot? Don't go there, there's wires there. Okay, let's try clapping 2 times. 1 second, guys. Oh, okay, guys. So I understood pokibot more now, and now I understand it. So basically, what happens is you can tap 3 times and it will do a random movement. And if it's like this on idle, it will just make noises just like these and do that. Oh, it does something like that. And so you see, it's been a bit while since I used it, and it turned off. So if it goes like this, all you do is go put the off and on switch off, and then put it back on, and then you wake up pokibot like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we can press the record button. Hi, I'm pokibot. And then, as you can see, it made that noise. If you tap 1 time, okay, so you should replay the message. Okay, once. Yes. As you can see, it replays the message. And if you tap it 3 times, usually, it does a random action. For example, like this one. And now it says I'm pokibot. That's what it's saying now. So, and what we can also do to pokibot is we can do this. You have like a different hand movement, a bit something like that, maybe. And it's playing high. So, anyways, let's try 3 times again. Okay, one thing to keep in mind is that if you do the same action 3 times non-stop, the pokeball will go in idle. So let's try again. Oh. As you can see, it's about to turn off, and it turned off because I did the same action twice. And I think that's pokebot for you guys. Okay, let's let pokebot say bye. Okay. Bye. Okay, so pokebot say bye. Like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so pokebot is saying like and subscribe and bye. So we'll see you in the next video, guys, and I might make a video on how to use this with the app in later time. So thank you guys for watching. Hope so you liked the video, and this was pokebot, the portable robot.